good, YouTube? It's your girl Nikki with another video for you guys today. Today I'm bringing you guys an unboxing from a recent pickup that I made online this past weekend. On Saturday there was a big sneaker Jordan release that dropped, and I just wanted to go ahead and unbox this package with you guys because, as you guys know, you guys probably already know what it is, but I just wanted to go ahead and show my first reaction of getting these in hand, in my size, my own pair, and I just wanted to share this moment with all of you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. So my package got here today. I just got it in, and we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up because I'm excited. I already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. And I know I told you guys I was gonna do a top 10 releases of February. That never happened, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys know these were probably like number 2 on my top 10 list. For sure, these were definitely my top 2. In my top 2, or these were definitely in my top 5. Okay, so all right, here you guys go. So as y'all already know, we got that classic black and gold Jordan box. And then we got my receipt. I actually picked up my sneakers from Nike.com. I don't know, for me, whenever I'm not purchasing from Champ Sports or something, I do like Nike just because they don't tax you for shipping and stuff. So I picked up my Jordans in a 4Y, which is my true size. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready now. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! Jesus, baby Jesus, Lord Jesus. Look at what we got here. I am speechless right now. Like, well, hold up. I'm gonna just address this real quick. They super tight. The shoelaces on my pair is super tight. I'm gonna just throw that out there. It's usually never that tight, but I picked up my black cement 3s, which dropped just recently on Saturday, and I picked them up from Nike.com at 10 a.m. and then they shipped and just got here today, and I'm super stoked. You can't say no to 3s. Like, okay, no, that's a lie. You can't say no to 3s, but certain colorways are just like, I don't know, I have a special connection with 3s. 3s were my first pair of Jordans that I ever got myself, which were the black hat 3s. So I'm always gonna have a connection to 3s. But today what we're gonna be looking at is the black cement 3s, you guys. And I'm just super happy I got these in hand. Like, I'm looking at them, I see tumble leather. I don't know, I'm gonna have to compare the tumble leather to my true blue 3s. I'm gonna have to do a compare and contrast to see what's going on with the quality. But right now, as I'm looking at it, the quality on the black cement 3s definitely are surpassing these true blue 3s, especially on this tumbled leather from what I can see, just like from first glance. There you have it. You just got to see my unboxing of my black cement 3s. Stay tuned because I will be doing an on-foot review and a closer look on these sneakers for you guys. Even though I'm pretty sure there's several of these reviews already out, I still want to give you guys my opinion. Of course, you know, grade school sizes versus men's sizes is always different. So I'm just going to be doing this for you guys. This is for my ladies and for my small feet people. This is for you. And again, this is your girl Nikki. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to click that subscribe button, leave your comments below, and of course give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your girl Nikki, and until next time, peace.